Good morning. I'd like to say how delighted I am to be able to address you all this morning, albeit remotely, at the Centre for Trials Research 5th anniversary celebrations. This is certainly an unprecedented time that we are living through. The past 5 months have seen health and social care workers and communities across Wales support each other in the response to COVID-19. The pandemic illustrates vividly how critical research is to the global response. The Centre for Trials Research has been instrumental in the Welsh research response. It's enabled many people with COVID-19 to take part and contribute to the global research efforts to establish effective treatments. I'm aware of the Centre's involvement across a wide range of research, from helping Wales to play a major role in the Oxford vaccine trials, through to assessing the impact of COVID-19 on pregnant women. These studies will tell us more about COVID-19 and its impact on people with underlying health conditions and those who appear to be healthy. It will strengthen the evidence base to help inform policy and practice. The role of the Centre for Trials Research is important in understanding the impact on social distancing to all of our lives. Your staff continue to create strong links with the public, whose participation is vital to ensure the success of our clinical trials. Since the Centre was launched in 2015, many more people in Wales have become aware of clinical trials. I'm keen to see the number of participants in this vital work continue to rise. This will mean every patient who is waiting for life-saving treatment or hoping for a clinical breakthrough can have the best opportunity. Now, certain groups of people have been impacted by COVID-19 more than others. The elderly, those with underlying health conditions, and people from Black and Asian origin communities. This has reinforced the need to ensure diversity in all of our clinical trials. Health and Care Research Wales has focused on inclusivity and engaging the public. This can be seen across mental health, cancer, social care and many other research areas. We know that greater public involvement is key to improving the clinical data for the whole of the population. The Clinical Trials Research Unit is supported by major investment through Health and Care Research Wales. I understand that without the funders, research partners, staff, and above all, the participants in research studies, that none of this would be possible. Now, over the last 5 years, the Centre has managed to bring in over £13 million of inward investment from national and international collaboration. The Welsh Government recognises that there are real threats to the continued progress across key research areas here in Wales. For example, the impacts of the withdrawal from the European Union and its economic area, and the financial effects across the UK from the COVID pandemic. It is clear that if we are to tackle the challenges that lie ahead, we will need to continue to invest in high quality research to help develop new ways to prevent ill health, new treatments, and more efficient, well-designed services to support people with a range of disease and illness. The research and development community is an important economic sector in its own right, bringing high quality jobs and economic growth to Wales and broadening people's understanding of how vital clinical trials really are. In closing, I'd like to thank all of you again for the opportunity to speak and to congratulate everyone involved for your hard work in organising not just today's event, but the success you've already brought. I wish you every success for today and, of course, in the future.